How to autoplay and loop Google Slides. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Slides. Then click on Slideshow located on top. In Google Slideshow, you'll find three dots located on bottom left corner of your screen. Click on three dots and you'll find all these options pop up. In here, click on Autoplay. Make sure your cursor is on autoplay. Then you'll find all these options to play every second, every 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 30, and every minute. Simply click on the second or minute you want. Or if you want to do it in loop, simply click on three dots, autoplay, and you'll find loop option on bottom. And to play, simply click on it and you will find play option on top. Click on play option and you're good to go. That's how you autoplay and loop Google Slides. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.